Within 24 hours, we were able to go from 4.6% in booking rate with Jira's old framework, which is one of my clients, right? All the way to 9.7% booking rate, right? And you can see the proof in the screenshots and in the quick math here done for you. Now, let's say your lead flow and closing rate are the same. You can basically double your revenue just from improving the DMs, right? So go from, let's say, 50K a month all the way to 100K a month, right? And all by changing two parts of the DM setting script. Two parts. That's what we've done to basically double our booking rate, right? So whatever revenue you're generating right now, you can do the math on how much extra revenue you can be making by following the two simple steps I'm gonna walk you through in this video, and I'm gonna make it as brief as possible. Now, why should you listen from me? Well, I've been in appointment setting space for close to 3 years now, and I've generated millions of dollars in revenue from the DMs for coaches like these that are included in the picture. I won't go through them specifically, but you can see, right? Now, all by using the exact methods I'm going to outline in this video. Step 1. Track your data. This is simple, right? Simple, yet most coaches don't even do it. So how do we track our data with 99% accuracy? If I go onto the CRM, you can see I'm using Notion. This is for Jira, the one I showed you, right? And you can see everything that we're tracking here. And the most important stats or the metrics to track are call proposed, calendar sent, call booked, and yeah, that's pretty much it, with also the total amount of leads that step in. Now we can calculate the totals here, and this is how I calculated the booking rate basically. So this is how we track. Now there are lots of other metrics that we track, and AI tracks them for us. That's for another video. You can watch some of the other videos on my channel to know how we do that. But basically, these are the main ones to track, right? And then we have the KPI tracker, which shows us the trends that are going on and the changes, right? It helps us visualize everything and analyze those trends. Now, this is really, really important, and you should track it with detail. I've gotten on a lot of calls with coaches, and I told them, like, what do your numbers look like, right? And they told me, we don't even track numbers, right? So based on what are you basing your changes? Based on feelings, right? Based on intuition, based on the reactions that you get in the DMs from clients? Well, this is not enough. You need numbers to understand the performance of your entire DM setting funnel. And once you have those numbers, then you want to analyze those numbers, right? So this is step 2. So first of all, you want to detect where the biggest drop-offs are happening. So when you detect that, you want to remove unnecessary questions from your script and think of how you can combine two questions into one message. So these are like some things you can go through, and I can tell you here like what we changed in Jira's framework or this client's framework, whatever, but it won't be beneficial to you because each framework, each script, each funnel is different from the other. So it's important for you to detect where are the weaknesses of your own script, analyze it, and see how you can improve it to make it better and basically double your conversion rates or even quadruple them just by making the right changes, right? And some quick fix tips for you that I can share with you is if you want to increase the lead to call proposal, for example, you want to trim down your script to the essentials. Don't ask too many questions because as you ask more, the leads drop off gradually. So you want to try and keep the questions to the basics, to the essentials. And then if you want to increase the call proposal to counter link send, instead of sending like a very long text message, do it with a voice message instead, right? So this grows more trust because leads hear your voice. They feel like they're speaking with you directly. There's magic to it, right? And it's easier to consume. It's easier to listen to compared to looking at huge text blocks of you just pitching the call through text. Okay, so this gives off more energy with the call proposal, with the voice message, sorry. And finally, if you want to increase the calendar link sent to call booked, you want to add some urgency to the message that at least like, here's the calendar link, book a call. I'm here with you for the next 5 minutes to make sure everything goes smoothly. And then, I gotta go have a call with my team or whatever, so you can tell them that. and this is like natural urgency, and then follow up after 10 minutes of no response. Since the leads have already agreed to get on a call with you, after you send them the calendar and they don't respond to you, they don't book a call, follow up directly with them to ensure that they do it, they take the step, they complete the process, and they book that call. So yes, ladies and gents, this is the basic way of how we doubled our booking rates. Again, I won't go through detail on how we've done it for Jira because it might be different for you. Your funnel might be good at the beginning, but in the middle or at the end, it's struggling because of the details that we've covered here, because of the drop-off points that you have. So all you have to do is like trim down your script, maybe improve your calendar form. There are lots of ways to like do that. So if you want a video where I go more in depth about how we do it, then let me know. But I hope you found this useful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.